know. Last but not least, child, let me go ahead and talk about Tasha K. Since Tasha K had the tea, we got the tea on Tasha K. He is following the case with Tasha K and Cardi B. Now, shout out to Dennis Byron. Dennis Byron was on Twitter earlier and dropped some tea about Tasha K. Breaking: federal judge has rejected Tasha K's bankruptcy claim in order to pay Cardi B her millions. So, Dennis Byron, he be on it, child. He is the court reporter of court reporters, okay? Um, and they tagging Tasha K and everything. So meanwhile, Tasha K has been on her platform and she clapped back a little bit, which was interesting. And she said it ain't true, but we're gonna read the documents and we're gonna see what's true and what ain't. Okay. She says some people, some black people don't read, just like I can't spell, but I digress. I don't know if she talking about me. I don't know what she talking about, but we about to talk. We about to look at the documents. You said what the documents say? We about to look at the documents, but I'm gonna show you what the neighborhood talk has said. I don't think they deleted it either, and they might not have been correct in their assessment either. Now the neighborhood talk responded to Dennis Byron and said a federal judge has not denied Tasha K's bankruptcy claim or dismissed Cardi B's judgment. They amended the claim, asking the judge to add interest. That's what the neighborhood talk said. But then Dennis Byron is under the neighborhood talks comment section saying, "Do y'all know what a summary judgment is? It's right in front of you in black and white." So Dennis trying to tell y'all, here is what it means. Now let me pull up the actual document. We deal in actual documents around here. This is straight from the A. Okay, everything is contents. Content. Okay, hold on. Let me pull it up. Like this video. Okay, here is page 1. We're gonna read it all, Chad. He said, I was in that today, Michelle, and he mentioned your name. Awesome. I made it. Oh, you made it, Robin? Okay. Here it is right here. Southern District Court of Florida, Latasha Transrena debtor, okay, and Bacalise Marlenis Almanzar versus Tasha Kibi debtor. So the judge has actually granted Cardi B's judgment, okay, because Cardi B was filing, telling the judge, listen, this amount of money, this judgment was issued as a malicious tort, and according to section whatever in the bankruptcy courts, this cannot be discharged. So she filed that earlier a couple of months ago. Now here the judge is actually granting the order, basically saying, okay, Cardi B, you can have what you've been asking for. You can go ahead. I'm lifting the stay, and now you can actually start to seize the money. Okay. Partial summary judgment is entered in favor of plaintiff Bacalise Marlenis Almanzar against defendant Latasha Transrena Kibi. The award of damages in the amended defamation judgment against defendant individually and jointly and post-judgment interest thereon pursuant to blah, 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 accepted from discharge, are accepted from discharge. Do you not see this? Are accepted from discharge pursuant to the U.S. blah, blah, blah. Specifically, the following awards set forth in the amended defamation judgment are accepted from discharge. Do y'all not hear that? Accepted from discharge. That means they cannot be added in the bankruptcy discharge in any form. They're not going to be a part of no payment arrangements. They're not going to be a part of a discharge. They're not going to be a part of any of that. She's getting the compensatory damages in the amount of $1.25 million for pain and suffering and or reputational injury and for medical expenses. That includes punitive damages of $1 million. That includes her litigation expenses. So all y'all people who kept saying that Cardi B is crazy, she's spending all this money on all these lawyers and all that. Well, Tasha K got to pay that too, and $1.3 million in legal expenses and a post-judgment interest in the foregoing amount of $41,000. post judgment interest, meaning interest is accruing every single day. Okay. Y'all saying you can't get blood from a term. Well, remember, she was actually garnishing her YouTube channel. And then once Tasha K filed the bankruptcy, they issued a stay. So all collection efforts had to cease. Now that everything is accepted from discharge, the stay will be lifted and the garnishments can continue. That means that now she can start to seizure. She can go forward on the writ. The judge already issued a writ saying that she can start seizing any assets that are available to her from this debtor. So yeah, you saying Tasha K need to play Powerball? It's sad. I don't know. You said Cardi won. Like the people is mad. Some people be in the comments talking about some. She doing this to a black woman. Why she doing this to a black woman? I don't think it's a black and white issue. This is my personal opinion. Like y'all may see it differently, but in essence, somebody lied on somebody. Okay, somebody took them to court. The judge actually agreed this was a lie. This damaged this person's reputation, and the person was awarded damages. I mean, y'all say that the court system doesn't work, but I guess it only works when it's in favor of us, right? So if Tasha K, well, she did file a countersuit. If Tasha K had filed her countersuit, then y'all would have been saying, "Oh, she deserved it." So I just don't understand. But anyway, now she got to pay. Unfortunately, he said, "I know Cardi gets all Tasha K's YouTube checks, and Tasha still be on YouTube making videos. Ooh, it's about lying maliciously. It is." He said she was asked to stop and she continued. She did. But I mean, maybe she's changing. I don't know. People grow, people change, people do things differently. I don't know what's going to happen, but I do know Cardi B can now resume her collection efforts. She has hired forensic attorneys, forensic accountants to go through Tasha K's assets. They have interviewed Tasha K's husbands. They going through all of their businesses, all of the LLCs that are registered to the husbands. They following a paper trail. They trying to see where this money is going. Y'all keep saying it ain't no money. I'm telling you from a YouTube's perspective, the money is somewhere. I don't know where it is, but if you got 1 million subscribers, you got people following you, you got people watching you got people super chatting, you got people on your app, you got all these people doing something. The money is somewhere. We just don't know where it's going. I don't know where it's going. And Cardi B might know where it's going, but we shall see. He said maybe she's changing. She literally just said that what Dennis Byron reporter was a lie, which was a lie. Wait, what? Said that what Dennis Byron was a lie, which is well, maybe she's not changing. Maybe she's the same. Listen, I don't know. I haven't seen her response to anybody. All I know is we go by receipts. We looking at the documents. The documents said what the documents said, even though the neighborhood talk said it didn't say that. It did say that. Only thing you got to do is read it. It's literally in black and white. Okay. So there's that. I feel a little bit bad, a little bit, but not a lot. He said, I thought it was revealed in bankruptcy where her money was in Africa. Well, actually, they were going by what she said. Okay. Remember when she posted a receipt saying that she had deposited 800 some $1,000 in African bank. So they were going by that, but they did actually interview her husband. They made her tell like everything, like what her bills were, how much she was paying in rent, because now they're renting an apartment as opposed to their house. Who's renting the house? They had to provide a lease of who was actually renting the house, all of that. So yeah, it's a mess, child. I would be stressed out. He said Tasha K is surviving, and that's Cardi B's real issue. That might be it. I told y'all she's made lemons out of lemonade. I mean, she has actually turned what would have been, a death blow to many people into a profitable, business. But how long will that last if it's profitable and all of the money has to go to your creditor? I don't know. Anyway, Not my problem. Hopefully, everybody get what they want, whatever that is. Okay. Maybe they can come to some agreement. Maybe they will sit down. Maybe they will have a conversation. Maybe they will increase the peace. Like people change, people do things, but I don't know if she's changed. I don't know if, look, Cardi B, she probably just like me and Junkie Dineva. I said I didn't care how long it was going to take. I was going to get my money, and I did. Okay. Some of it. And I continue to talk about him and get the rest. Okay. But, there's that. You said those who have discernment seen that spirit in Tasha when she cursed out Joe Budden. Ooh, I didn't see it. Reading is comprehension. You said R. Kelly got dibs too. You said Tasha ass changed. She apologized to well, I don't know that meant she changed. That just means that there is ulterior motives. I don't know, but I said I accept the apology. I'm moving on, but I still got my eye like this. I don't know. I don't know. I don't trust nobody. Y'all know how I am. I don't trust nobody. Anyway, moving on. Like this video as y'all get in here. I feel really bad about the whole situation. Well, I mean, it's not my money. Only thing I know is as a blogger, it's just a difficult situation to be in. Why would you want to pay all of your earnings to somebody else? Y'all know I was in that situation. That's why I follow this so closely because it's deep to me. Because you remember that Chris Stokes had tried to sue me that time. It was just a mess, y'all. But y'all can talk about that in the archives. Watch that in the archives. I ain't gonna even give him no play. But yes, it was a mess. He owed you for sure. He sure did, child. He sure did. Still owe me. Can she get a loan from YouTube or a payday advance? I don't know. Only thing she could do is keep making money, keep trying to pay it.